A school district south of Seattle cancels classes recently due to a cyber attack. That's right. Highline Public Schools, a district with 17,500 students south of Seattle, canceled classes for a recent Monday due to a cyber attack that compromised their technology systems. The district detected unauthorized activity and is working with third-party state and federal partners to restore and test their systems. The closure affects all school activities and meetings, including the first day of kindergarten, which was scheduled for a recent Monday. The attack has disrupted communications, transportation, and attendance records, although there is no evidence of stolen personal information so far. The incident highlights the vulnerabilities of school districts, which manage extensive personal and financial data, but often lack robust security measures. You know, ladies and gentlemen, the bad actors are after schools, and I'll tell you why. Kids don't have any resources, but they know if they prey on them early, eventually they're going to be something, and they're going to have their data, and they're going to be able to go after it when they're least expecting it.